facing me, so I can't see really what I'm recording. But you know, you've got your torque specs, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you put it back together, that's how you want to do it. Disassembly, for the most part, is exactly the same as, you know, assembly. So if this is 8, the last one, then so 8 would be number 1, 7 would be 2, 6 would be 3. When you're doing the disassembly, you know, when you torque, it's the same thing. It's just ass backwards. So this is the intake. So you got intake here. I got an intake set up for it's pretty tricky. It's got Allen. This is for dual carb setup. It's like fucking dude made that shit or some shit. Don't think that's stock at all. But so if you look at that, so 8, which would be 1, would be, that's a head bolt is what they're talking about there. So I just want to take the rocker boxes off. So we're going to skip 5 through 8, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to go focus. A 4 would be 1, 3 would be 2, and then 2 would be 3, and 4 would be the last one. You get it? You understand? Comprendo? So we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to go here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Loosen, all right? Something like that. If I understand this correctly, you know, we'll be doing it right. I mean, I could be completely fucking everything up. At least when I mess it up myself, I have no one to blame but myself. You know, I feel a lot better about kicking my own ass. You know, having to kick my own ass than not being able to kick someone else's ass who like fucks me over. Go to a shop. Fuck you. Fuck you, kid. Fuck you. We do whatever we want. Fuck you. You're nobody. You don't know shit, boy. What the fuck you looking at, boy? You know. You know what I'm saying, Baba Louie. Now there's Phillips in here too, but these are gone. Like someone already took them out. They're all gone. I think. Oh, I got one right here, so I want to get that one out of there too. And I might be able to use this puppy. Oh boy. Now there's some mechanic out there cringing at watching me do this. He's like, oh, this fucker, what are you doing? But you know. Good quality tools always help too, people. You know, not everybody can afford like fucking a whole, like a $5,000 to $10,000 toolbox set full of Jim's or Kent Moore or, you know, Whitworth and every other fucking specialty tool known to mankind, but we try. Fuck, this thing's fucking up on me right now. Alright, so anyway, we got these here. Hopefully these will come out. I can, as I slowly take them out, like I can lift up on the rocker box because the manifold's in the way. So I'd have to take that off for these to drop out. take these two out. This one. These two. Oh, that's nice. These little babies. Tapped on this little. There we go. So these ones that I'm taking off, these are what we call the view caps, or what you want to call them, rocker inspection caps, or whatever the caps. I'm just going to put these, this one with this one, and this bowl with this one in the same little cubby, so you know, in the clip, so we know where, like, see, like all with the same, so we know. I still got this one here, man. It's being stubborn. Those other three are gone, and then this one. I got this puppy working, but it's like, I don't want to shock loose, man. You just don't want to shock loose. And that's kind of bad, like, because then you start warping shit when you got all this other shit off. You got one that's like, it's all cocked. It's fucking retarded. I don't want to be fucking having to heat it up to get it out, or drilling it out. Lame. You know, the only way. So these are ready. This one is ready. Just cool off. That Russian personality coming out and shit. I'm not Russian, but you know, it's just a thing I like to do. Pretend I'm Russian. Missing. So like, this shit's under load. Let me loosen that shit up, but you know, it's always good to I need the glasses. Just don't fucking get killed lose an eyeball. I mean, I took all the, ooh, that's nice. You see people in out in Candyland. This is Candyland, motherfucker. It will always be that way. Oh, shit. Bush rod. Come on, you fucking